Morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it is Wednesday, the 27th of November. Remember, it's coming towards the end of the month. It's 8:14 Central European time, so that's 7:14 UK time. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Help, help the channel grow a bit if we can. Um, Yeah, we keep doing this every morning and we've been so accurate. We're still waiting for DOT. We'll have a look at that in a minute, but we called it yesterday that there was some strength forming there. So yeah, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Right now we're starting with total market cap, excuse me. Right now we're starting with total market cap. Again, yeah, monthly kind of looks good. Weekly kind of looks good, but it's pulling back. We are pulling back here. This could end up rolling over, but the monthly looks good there. But then this could be reversal because we've made a higher high. And if we roll over here, it could be, yeah, it could be not very good. Let's be serious. So the crypto market cap, the daily, um, we've got strength there. We've still got strength there, but this daily is pulling back to the zero. Got a feeling we could end up with maybe like an A, B, C here, which could just tie up with the moving average coming into play. But we'll have to see what the support's like here. I mean, this looks like yeah, it was resistance there, wasn't it? And then it's turned into support, and we're bouncing there. On the 4 hour, we're bouncing. The 1 hour's turned bullish. The daily is still bullish. So this could be a good opportunity to, put a low ball in, as in offer a trade up with a small stop loss. I mean, even if you risk $100 here, you either lose $100 or 10. Then you've at least got maybe a couple of $100 rewards, like a 2-to-1 ratio, risk to reward ratio. Yeah, I mean, it's just the nerves are there really with this one at the moment. I mean, we look like we're trying to do something on the higher time frames, but then when it comes down to the daily, we've got the strength there. It's just we're rolling into a sell now. People are taking profits, people are trading, and that's kind of what we want. And we also want people being shook out the market. So moving over to the blue chips, I'll make a note of that at 242. Um, yeah, blue chips, we've still got strength there. I mean, like the strength there is incredible on XLM, and we're still super bullish there on XLM. So I think wherever we pull back to, we will attack those highs again because that was a ripper. Absolutely. On the daily, we are a sell on WhippTrend. We've got divergence there basically across the board, and we are a sell. And the only thing is we're kind of getting under the weekly there. So if you imagine that we've got this here, tack, tack, tack. So we've got that there. And then we go and make another attack on it there. So like, yeah, we're kind of under the weekly, which is something to pay attention to. Over here we have Bitcoin is a sell, sell itself, and what's that noise coming from? Sorry guys, it's a sell itself and it's a sell against other cryptos, which is interesting. It's on the daily. Ethereum's a mixed bag, mixed bag, mixed bag. XRP is a sell, but it's not going down, is it? It's going sideways. So that would say to me, we're being bought up until it possibly pops through and destroys a few longs, few leverage longs, and then we can get going again. ADA is a sell, but yeah, still good strength there in ADA, and XLM just had a rip in it, so use a sell. But we need to monitor, go down to the 4 hour and see how that's performing down there. VeChain's a sell. What else? VeChain's a sell, Neo's a sell, mixed bag sells. Quant now is turning into a sell, but not pushing that hard. BAND is still a buy. Link has been outperforming quite a few other things. AAVE we saw yesterday. She looked like a buy, didn't she? I've got the notes there. Yep, AAVE looking good. And what else? Dun, 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 mixed bag on everything else kind of thing. So yeah, I mean, AAVE and BAND are still the ones going for it. Strength there, yeah, not amazing. So we do just need to be careful because these could roll. If the market does continue to sell off sharply, we could just roll over in those. Down to the 4 hour. We've got there the strength in AAVE and BAND. So even just with WhippTrend there and saying that these two look like they could be good, we've got the strength there on the 4 hour. Um, XLM's had a decent push down there. So wherever it goes to, I expect it to push down again. We'll get some divergence and then we'll go and attack these highs again. Turning into a buy on the 4 hour though, with WhippTrend. Daily is a sell. So wherever we get to, we will roll over. Unless we start getting some really good strength and some excitement, fear and greed, the greed factor coming into play, and we could push above the daily and then pull that daily up, which is what can happen when you've got like bullish monthly and weekly time frames. You know, your daily can look like a beautiful sell, and then it'll just V reversal, or it'll just nudge again higher. And moves can be quite phenomenal. Um, on the 4 hour, Ethereum looks kind of good against most stuff. Litecoin looks good against most stuff, and it's a buy. BNB's a buy. Um, have we got a lower low there? No, it's a true wave in XRP, but it's a buy. ADA's a buy. Neo's a buy. XLM's turning into a buy. XRP's a buy. Band's a buy. Links to buy, but they're looking a bit top heavy, and we've got to remember that those the daily time frame is bearish on most of these, apart from Band and Lend AAVE, should I say? Where else? Yeah, everything looks like it's having a bit of a bounce this morning, doesn't it? I mean, if we are going to look at bounces with regards to strength, let's have a look what happened recently. We've had like Atom, XLM, XRP, VeChain. So we've had a few there, and the strength is now possibly coming back with a bit of AVAX, Band, and Lend. AVAX looking a bit toppy there. So let's drop to the 1 hour and see how everything's performing for scalping. XRP looks like it's good. Yeah. Oh, XRP looks good. Dun, 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 dun. That's a buy there. This is a buy. So XRP is looking good, isn't it? Who else is looking good? Sell, sell. Mixed bag, but a buy. I can't see any power apart from XLM as well. And she's done what, a move? She's done like a 5% move there, hasn't she? Okay, movers. Um, movers 8. Um, yeah, so we're on the daily chart. We've got dot there. This is what we pointed out the last days. Over the weekend, and then we did a live video yesterday and released it on YouTube. So we were looking at dot. Yeah, just a bit bothered about this on the dailies. Like we are dropping down, aren't we? We're dropping below the weekly, so we'll have to see what happens when we start seeing some bouncing. Dot is currently a sell. We'll have to see how much it gets pulled down. Who else looks good? Poly is still looking good. It was looking good yesterday. It's one of the gainers we noticed. So fetch, render, Hinge was a buy yesterday, wasn't it? And that did some good moves, I think. And who else? Yeah, TAO. We said about TAO. So all of these looking really good, aren't they? And then sell, sell, sell. Dogs, sell, 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 sell. And there's work to do there on the daily. There's work to do before they'll actually turn around. So this is where you need to be into some of these others. Dot, Poly, keep an eye on those. Dropping down to the 4 hour. Um, where are all my indicators? Oh, what is going on there? Am I missing something? Let's turn you off. Let's turn you off. So we've got the memes. Is that what we're missing? No, we've got the memes there. Yep, and that one. Sorry, guys. We've got that one as well. It's that one we're missing, which is the one with fetch, is it? Let's go back. Yeah. Okay, it's the one with fetch. Let's just do a copy on that. Copy. I must have pressed delete somewhere. Sorry. Okay, so on Let's visual order to front. Yeah. Okay. Which also goes to one on the right. Get rid of you. Okay, 4 hour. Strength is coming a bit on Tau, POLYX, and Sui. Is it Sui Orange? I think that's Sui, isn't it? That one. Which kind of it kind of weighs in with this. We had a nice bullish signal yesterday. She's had a push and now she's having a rest. Yeah, and she's done what there, 11 to 21. She did 10%. Fetch looks like it's turning into a buy. Render's already a buy, but a bit mixed bag against others. Hinge is turning into a sell and it's going to underperform. You'll look like you're going to turn into a sell against others, underperform against others, but it's still looking kind of like it might have another push. Tau, GRT, comp, Dot's looking like it's turning into a buy. So this could be a good one for Dot. And then the dogs are trying to go for it on the 4 hour. So we'll have to see how much these 4 hours move. And if they can really get pushed up and start breaking some highs again, start breaking some support, resistance levels, we could actually then sweep that daily around. So it's just something for us to bear in mind. Let's go and have another look at that's XRP. So yeah, she's had a nice pullback. Push, push. So this was a huge push, but price didn't make a lower low there. So that's interesting. So that's hidden bullish divergence. This is buy. So big XRP is turning into a buy itself, not against everything else though, but probably looking good for a trade. Taylor's still a sell. Got some work to do, haven't we? Let's have a look at DOT USDT. Um, mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, turn into a buy against quite a few things there, apart from Band and Link. But she should be going to 860-ish. I mean, she should be going and tagging one of these levels, 830 to 836. Turned into a buy on the 4 hour, mixed bag there. Market's a buy on the 4 hour. Could pull this daily around. That's quite nice. And then this will just extend and we'll just go again. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm struggling with my voice a bit today. But yeah, trade safe, keep safe, as we always say. Um, and yeah, any questions, please drop them in either Discord or in the comments section. Be aware of scammers and also on Discord, I don't friend request, okay? And be sure you use the official Peter Whip, Peter.whip with two P's on the end, and that's it. No extra dots, no double dots, no secret shenanigans. Okay, guys. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.